Hey, it's Leah and Jessica. We're traveling around the country in our converted van and we're spending some time this month in Oxford, Wisconsin. Leah is going to take her first sip of vodka. It's not even a shot at all. I literally poured like 2 drops in there, but she's gonna try it because she wants to know what it tastes like on its own.
It's like rubbing alcohol on my lips.
Yep, that's what it is. She's chasing it with water.
Chasing it?
That's called with your chaser. It's like when you drink pop or something after that. You didn't even finish it the first time. Oh golly. Okay. That's awesome.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, what's going on, Jen?
Fire. We're making cinnamon rolls and then we're gonna have a jam session. I'm very excited. And we're gonna do sparklers. So it's gonna be good.
This is Jenny. Da-na-na. Leah, Avi. Stephanie Boone, aka Spoon.
Can you talk about me in your vlog?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do with your cinnamon roll from your can is take it and flatten it.
Flatten.
Like a pancake. And you want to try and make sure that any of the swirly things are like kneaded together so it doesn't come apart.
Okay.
Okay, the next thing you're gonna do is take it and put it around the nub.
The nub.
And then you're gonna like knead together the different parts that would be not needed together.
Thanks for the zoom on.
This is your hopeful end result here. Right here. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna come over to the fire.
Fire. Are we rotating?
Time lapse.
This is how you know when it's done. It is golden brown. And then you slip it off. Ugh, that's hot. Okay. Now you have this circle on the inside and you fill that with icing. Yum.
You lop them and it makes you feel good about everything in the world.
Thank you.
Oh
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
First impressions?
So good.
Because I'm stuck on you. Hide in the kitchen, hide in the hall. Ain't gonna do you no good at all. And once I catch you and the kissing start, a team of wild horses couldn't tear us apart. Gonna take a tiger from your daddy's side. That way our love is gonna keep us right on. Yes, sirree. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna stick like glue. Yeah, yeah, because I'm stuck on you. I'm gonna stick like glue. Yeah, yeah, because I'm stuck on you.
Wow.
I want to learn to play guitar.
Leah is weed whacking right now, and I'm on watch for if anyone's coming. Okay, I'm laying on the couch, and the windows are open. When I came up from the lake, the basement door, like there's a door downstairs that comes up, you can come upstairs instead of going up the hill and around. And I was like, oh, I'll just come in through the basement. And I was like, ugh, I locked it last night. And Leah just tried, I could hear her, and she grunts, oh, it's locked. Smile. It's a video.
Of course, I'm here. I'm back.
Never has she said that before in her life.
Don't turn off.
We're going to the fireworks and Nicole literally won't get out. Okay, my whole family just came for the fireworks. We came in the second before it started, and so the fireworks all literally fell on us. So we're covered in like different pieces of fireworks. That was kind of scary, but we made it. Woo!
You're usually with your mom. Yeah. My immediate family is my mom, my brother. Okay, yeah. And then my dad's over.
Woo!
Oh! The cats though, right? Knock them off. No, that's not how this is. With the ninth pick. Stupid ram.
These are Nicole's creations. You're gonna catch it?
We drowned it. Scoop them off and get them out of the way so people can chill.
Yeah! He took it down with him.
Oh, I'll go get him later. You didn't bring the dog out. I thought you were gonna bring the dog.
Taking it away and it won't remember it
Oh my gosh. It's staying still too. Look at that big tail. Wow. Mia. You're scaring him away.
She's now trying to follow him. I'll just be over here eating my pretzel.
Find him? Thanks for watching. Join us next week as we have some adventures with our neighbors and eat some really delicious food.